In the last 24 hours, the burn rate for Shiba Inu through the portals jumped a staggering 345%. That is a pretty big number. Now, burns are something that I cover on my channel pretty commonly, and because it's part of the overall Shiba Inu narrative, right? It is definitely a thing that we need to continue to talk about, and burns add up over time. Now, if you're new to the Shiba Inu community, the burn portal is where most of the burning is now taking place. Now, this is officially through Shiba Inu. It's at burn.shibaswap.com. Okay, and by burning through this portable, you can actually earn rewards. Okay, and so when you go to burn.shibaswap.com, if you actually click on this learn more button right here and then you scroll down, you can learn about everything. I've covered this in previous videos, so I'm not going to cover it, go too far in depth, but here it is: rewarding the community efforts to burn. Okay, so you earn rewards in the form of Ryoshi, which is a sister token to Shiba Inu. All right, but the number is up dramatically, 345%. In the past 24 hours, over 64 million Shiba Inu have been burnt. Now, here's the thing: adding these burns up over time is really what it comes down to. Okay, so 64 million burns in the last 64 million tokens burned in the last 24 hours is not a lot in the grand scheme of things, but added up every single day and over years, that will aggregate and that will add up. Okay, now when Shiba Inu was actually created 2 years ago, it wasn't what devs did when they created these projects that you didn't add a burn mechanism when you launched a token. It just wasn't something you really did, and so we're having to retrofit these burn mechanisms into SHIB. So right here, right now, SHIB is ranked number 12 still. Obviously, we've got a little bit of a downward pressure day. I fully believe that this is directly correlated to some inflation data coming out. We've got the European Union coming out saying that their inflation is at a 25-year all-time high. We've had other countries come out. So inflation obviously is still an issue. It's still the centerpiece. Yes, inflation does matter and does have an impact on the Shiba Inu price. You always need to remember that SHIB is, in my opinion, one of the leading indicators of consumer retail investor confidence. You and I are retail investors, and there's billions of us worldwide. And so when you start to see, the bad news coming out related to inflation and all these kind of things, and the uncertainty, by the way, there's a tremendous amount of uncertainty right now. Right in here, futures markets are now pricing in a 53% chance of a 50 basis point hike and a 48% chance of a 75 basis point hike in September. This has to do with the Federal Reserve raising their rate. Why am I showing you this? Because that sentence creates uncertainty. When you have everything split down the middle, like basically half the people think that there's going to be a 50 basis point raise, and the other half think it's going to be a 75, you create uncertainty, period. Okay, and so that's what's happening with SHIB, with the overall crypto market. You've got a lot of uncertainty, and SHIB being a leader in the overall market, number 12 ranked, plus being as cheap as it is, price point, 4 zeros and a 1, and the numbers, money flows into and out of SHIB more freely than it flows in some other tokens. Excuse me, my nose is itching. And that happens because of the global availability, over 120 plus exchanges globally. You can buy Shiba Inu everywhere in the world, and beyond that, the price action is attractive, to get into. And so it's easy. So money flows in and out very easily is what I'm saying to you. Okay, so that's what I've got for you right now. But the lead story, in my opinion, is, the burns are moving up. It's kind of the overall narrative of just talking about the ecosystem every single day. Have a good one. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button. Drop a like. I appreciate you. Go make some money. Bye.